In this lesson, we will look at the controls and indicators associated with the braking system, which include the ECAM wheel page, brake control panel, accumulator and brake pressure indicator, and parking brake. These are the ECAM symbols found on the wheel page. Select each one in turn to find out more details. When you're ready, select the forward icon to move on. An arc is displayed above the wheel identification number of the hottest wheel in green when the temperature exceeds 100 degrees Celsius and amber when the temperature exceeds 300 degrees Celsius. The wheel identification numbers are shown in white unless the corresponding brake temperature exceeds 300 degrees Celsius. In this case, the symbol turns amber as shown by wheel number 2. Brake temperatures are shown in green unless they exceed 300 degrees Celsius. In this case, the symbol turns amber as shown by wheel number 2. Brake release symbols displayed under the brake temperature values are displayed when release signals are sent to the individual servo valves of the braking system. In flight, all symbols are displayed if the anti-skid system is operational. On touchdown, symbols will appear and disappear as signals are sent, and all symbols disappear when the aircraft is below 10 knots. The spoiler and speed brake symbols show the states of the upper wing flight control surfaces. These are duplicated from the ECAM flight control page and can be seen in more detail in the ATA, Chapter 27, Flight Controls. When normal braking is unavailable, the accumulator and brake pressure indicator provides information for the yellow system brake accumulators and the delivery pressures of the left and right-hand brakes. Select the accumulator pressure indicator to continue. The accumulator pressure should normally be between 2,800 and 3,200 psi, as shown by the green band on the indicator. Select the brakes indicators to continue. These are the brakes indicators. Select them now. The brakes indicators show you the pressure being delivered to the left and right-hand brakes during alternate braking or when the parking brake is on. When anti-skid is unavailable, you must limit this pressure to 1,000 psi, as shown by the green band, to avoid skidding. The green hydraulic system has already failed. Yellow has now failed, so only accumulator pressure is available in this situation. You must monitor the brake accumulator pressure. This pressure, however, may be replenished by pressing the accumulator pressure push button next to the parking brake if the yellow high pressure is not available. Do this now. You have now completed this topic. Select the topic icon to continue. You can use the brake anti-skid toggle switch to select 3 different braking modes. With green hydraulic pressure available, the normal position, as shown, allows you to brake manually, using the brake pedals, or automatically, using the automatic brake facility. In both these cases, the anti-skid system is active. Select the toggle switch to move it to another position, or select the forward icon to continue. You may have noticed that the brake fail light comes on amber when you select the brake anti-skid toggle switch to the alternate off position. This local warning and the left ECAM are also activated when one or more of the release indications are missing or when the hydraulic pressure is too low during landing gear retraction. These warnings are covered in later lessons. For now, select the topic icon to view the parking brake topic. As we saw in an earlier lesson, the parking brake is pulled and turned clockwise to apply it. Do this now. The pressure applied to the brakes when you pull the parking brake can be maintained for at least 12 hours and can be monitored on the brake's indicator. When this pressure is applied by the parking brake, all other braking modes, including anti-skid, are deactivated. Let's move on to the next topic and look at the controls and indications of the automatic brake panel. The automatic brake panel has 3 push buttons: maximum, medium and low, which allow you to arm the automatic brake system. Each push button has 3 states that can be displayed: blank when the mode is not active, on in blue to show that a mode is armed, and a green bar that indicates that the aircraft deceleration rate is equal to the selected deceleration rate. Note that the blue on indication goes out when the green bar confirms that the selected deceleration has been achieved. The automatic brake light flashes amber for 10 seconds when the automatic brake facility arming conditions are lost. These arming conditions can be reviewed in more detail in the previous lesson, Braking Modes, under the Auto Brake topic. When the brakes are applied, manually or automatically, the brake temperature rises, and these indications are dealt with in the next topic. Brake temperatures for the 8 main gear wheels are shown on the ECAM wheel page. A hot light indicator on the landing gear control panel comes on amber when the temperature of any brake exceeds 300 degrees Celsius. Some aircraft are also equipped with fans, which can be switched on to help cool the brakes. Select the Hot push button to operate the brake fans. When the corresponding brake temperature falls below 280 degrees Celsius, the hot light goes out. Before leaving the Controls and Indicators lesson, select the topic icon to answer some questions.